Let's solve another issue again today. Today we'll be solving the second question. Okay, if in case you missed the first question or you did not see the first question we solved, just go to our Facebook page or YouTube channel to get the video. Okay, in case you don't know what we've been doing, we've been solving AutoCAD professional exam questions from the most recent exam questions. If you get the mastery of this video, you will be able to sit for the professional exam. Okay, this was a question we actually solved in our first video. We have to find the distance from this point to this point. If you missed it, check it out. And also, not to miss our next videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notification for our YouTube page to get notifications on when our next videos are dropping. So let's navigate to our geometrics. This is the second question of 13 that we'll be solving. So, and from Autodesk. Okay, so what are we asked to do? We're asked to create a new drawing. Wow. Okay, create a new drawing. Let's do that firstly. Go to your start drawing. Let me move this stuff out of here. So let me turn off my grid mode. Turn off. Okay, then start. Okay, this is a new drawing. We've done that. That's the first instruction. Then we are asked to use a polyline to create the shape as shown using direct input. Okay, let's do that. Let's create the shape 27, 23, and 15. Okay, so activate your polyline command 27, input 27, enter, or let me undo this. C3Z, the line is not straight. Let me turn on. Okay, I've turned on auto mode. Let's use auto mode to make the lines to be straight. So 27, input 27, enter. Then what was the next dimension? 23 and 15. Let's do that. 23, 23, enter. Let me reduce the drawing size, pan it. Then 15, enter. So let me close it as it's shown in this sketch here. Let me close it. I need to press C and enter to close. So let's see the instruction. Create a new drawing here. So we've done this sketch. They said using the polyline, create the shape as shown using direct input. So we've done this. So what is the length of the polygon? What is the length of this polygon? So to do that, click on the polygon you created, then right click, then go to properties. So what is the length? This is the length here, 90.9422. Okay, so let's do that. 90.94. Don't put 22. Don't add 90.9422 because this is the specification here to 2 decimal places. So just leave it at 0.94. Yeah, that's how to answer those AutoCAD professional exam questions. If in case you're in the exam, in an exam situation, don't put 0.2. Don't add the remaining 22. You see, that was correct. So to get more of these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notification for YouTube, for our Facebook page rather, and don't miss out. You don't want to miss out a professional certificate exam, trust me. So we'll be solving the next question in our next video. Make sure to subscribe. Do you want to sit for AutoCAD professional exam? Then check our contacts below in the video description. Make sure to contact us and give you a guide on how to go about it. Also, did you enjoy that video? Do you want more of that? Then click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications to get notifications on when our next videos will be dropping. Don't worry, We got you.
These are certificates our students get from Autodesk through MAGS Engineering. If you need training on AutoCAD and other engineering software such as Aspen HYSYS, Revit, PNID, and others, or if you already have apt training on this software, you can get its professional certification. Allow us to be your guide. Reach us at admin@magsengineeringlimited.com. Contact at magsengineeringlimited.com.